Here's a simple tutorial on how to add a new app category to Desklog. Desklog will help you to track employee productivity efficiently by tracking both productive and non-productive apps. Before starting to track, the admin must add the apps to Desklog, along with their categories, and indicate whether each app is productive or non-productive. Log into Desklog dashboard. Let's learn how to add new app categories. Go to Settings in the left panel menu. Select App Categories. All the tracked apps and their categories will be displayed here. On the top right corner, you can see a button, Add New Categories. Click on the Add New Categories button. A new pop-up window will open. You can enter the category name and choose a color for representing the particular category. Then click on the Add New button. It is now listed as a new app category. You can add apps to this category as needed.